Hello everyone, how are you all? Well, today I'm going to share my routine with you. What I do for the whole day and what my family does the whole day, I'm going to share with you. But you promise later on you also are going to share your routine with your parents, your grandmother or your friend. Means आपको जिसके साथ भी अच्छा लगता है आप शेयर कीजिए, right? And try to speak the way I'm talking, right? Okay, I'm telling you, I get up early in the morning. My father also gets up early in the morning, and then we both go for the walk. My mother gets up and she cooks for us. I am in the joint family. My grandparents, they help us in our household works, and like my cousins, they attend their classes, their online classes. My small sister, she dances very well, and my cousin Manan, he learns music. My two aunts, they wash the clothes together, and my grandmother, she tells us stories at night, and we eat our dinner together. We have two babies in the house. They play with the dog we have, and our dog, it eats its dog food, pedigree, right? So here students, I have told you about my routine, about my family members. So here I have used, when we talk about our routine, we use some words which are doing words, right? Like I told you, dances, eat, go, cook, help, right? So we use these words when we talk about our routine and we tell something what we do, right? So we have to just keep this thing in mind when we talk about single person, राइट जैसे मैंने आपको अपने फादर के बारे में बताया, अपनी मदर के बारे में बताया, देन आई यूज्ड डूइंग वर्ड बट अलॉन्ग विद एस. तब हम डूइंग वर्ड के साथ एस ऐड करते हैं, राइट? लाइक माई मदर कुक्स, माई फादर गेट्स अप, राइट? माई ग्रैंड मदर टेल्स, माई कज़न मनन डांसेस, राइट? जब हम किसी भी सिंगुलर पर्सन की बात करते हैं और उसके साथ जब हम डूइंग वर्ड लगाते हैं तब हम उसके साथ एस और ई एस ऐड करते हैं. डांसेस, इन डांसेस ई एस कम्स, राइट? एंड टेल्स, एस कम्स. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट plural things about the persons who are many, like right, my grandparents help, तब हम उस डूइंग वर्ड के साथ एस ई एस ऐड नहीं करते, राइट? सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट singular things, we use ses behind the doing word, and when we talk about the plural things, right, means ki many persons, we do not use ses behind the doing word, right? Like they wash their car, and we play in the evening. I go for the walk daily. And when we talk about the single thing, singular persons, we use he goes, he does, she plays, and it barks at the strangers, right? So students, today our topic is go, goes, do, does. Means when we talk about the singular things, what we use ses with the doing words along with the person, and when we talk about the plural things, we do not use ses with the doing word. So let us do here. Now see, go and do, both these are doing words, action words, right? And where do we use them? Right, with the plural nouns and pronouns like they, we, you and I. And go, goes, plays, dances, jumps, sleeps, gets up. So all these are also doing words, and we have used s and es behind them when we talk about the singular nouns and pronouns he, she, it, right? And so when we use doing word with the singular nouns and pronouns, we add s behind the doing word, right students? So here are some examples. I do exercises daily. So here I के साथ भी हम जो भी डूइंग वर्ड यूज करते हैं उसके साथ एस ऐड नहीं करते। ओके, आई के साथ जब भी हम कोई डूइंग वर्ड यूज करते हैं हम उसके साथ एस ऐड नहीं करते, राइट? I do exercises daily, I sleep early, I get up early, I play with my friends, I work myself, I do not jump on the table, I eat fresh fruits, right students? So I have given you so many examples. With I, we do not use SES with the doing word. They sleep early. Now they is more than one, means many. They sleep early. So here we have not used S or ES with the sleep. They sleep. They sing. They eat. They go. Right? In the same way, next is we. We respect everybody. So now here respect is a doing word and there is no SES behind respect. We respect. Right? We attend, we go, we sleep, we jump, we play, we help, right? And next is you. You students we use for one person and for many persons both. So whenever we use any doing word with you, we never use SES behind it, right? Like you paint, you sit, you stand, you go, you work, right? Next is the children. So now here children is naming word. Means plural, many children. The children enjoy in the park. The children enjoy in the park. So here with enjoy there is no SES, right? Next is he. He means one boy or any one male. He sings, he sits, he goes, right? She cooks, she closes, she opens. My grandma tells stories. Now here again, grandma is single person. My grandma tells stories. Now Manan jumps on sofa. So now here Manan is single person. Manan jumps. So now here doing word jump is combined with S here. Manan jumps on sofa. So students, in the same way, you all have to do your work very wisely and very nicely. Remember, when we talk about single person, anything means कोई भी चीज़ आप single use कर रहे हो के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, then we use SES with the doing word, and when we talk about the plural things, plural persons and plural pronouns, we do not use SES with the doing word. Thank you.